Hey everyone, welcome back to our Rust programming series. In today's video, we will break down Rust syntax focusing on variable declaration, strings, structs, functions and the ownership system we will cover in today's video. And yeah, if you are new to Rust or just getting started, then this video is perfect for you. So welcome, and by the end of this video you will have a clear understanding of how variables work in Rust and how to use different types of strings and how to structure your data using structs and like how Rust function and ownership work. Okay, so let's start. So yeah, as we all know, Rust is a modern system programming language focused on safety, performance, and concurrency. And it is designed by Mozilla. It ensures memory safety without needing a garbage collector. Uh, and topics covered, like as we discussed, variables, string, struct, functions, and ownership. Okay, so yeah, first topic is variables. So what are variables? Variables store data and are fundamentals in any programming language. Okay, Rust variables are immutable by default. I know I have already explained this in my previous video, but this is just a recap and this is a basic. That's why I am teaching again. Okay, so we will code this code all the topic. Okay, so let me open any Rust, this Rust playground. We can code and like run program. So yeah, so we'll start with just variables in Rust, how we can define variables. So we'll start. So this is our main function. This is just a basic Rust syntax with main function, and we will declare one variable called x and the value is 10. Okay, and semicolon we need to use. Okay, this is immutable variable. Okay, and we can print using this println macro. The value of x is, and we will print the value of x. So this is just a simple program of variable x. We are just printing value of x. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, oh, I had minus. Let me run it again. Okay, here it is working fine, and the value of x is 10. Okay, and this is just a simple immutable variable, and like if you want to modify a variable after assigning a value, like if you want to modify the value of x, then we need to use mute keyword to make it mutable. Okay, so what we can do is we can add mute keyword. Okay, and again we'll change the value of x equal to 20. Okay, and again we can print updated value of x is okay. So let's run this. So it is showing cannot find value of x in this scope. Okay, so let me check. Let mute x equal to, okay. So this is small x. Okay, now it is working fine. So this is the first, the value of x is 10. Okay, and updated value of x is 20. And like if I delete this mute keyword and try to run it, it will give an error like cannot assign twice to immutable x. Okay, so if you check, so here x is equal to 10, this is immutable variable, but we are assigning first assignment to x here, and again we are assigning 20 to x. So this is the error. Okay, so this is just a mutable and immutable concept in Rust for variables. Okay, and next are, so this is what we discussed, immutable versus mutable variable. So immutables variable example, let x is equal to 10, mutable variable example, so we need to add mute keyword. Okay, and okay, next is variable shadowing. Okay, so shadowing allows a new variable with the same name to override the previous one. Example, let a equal to 5, so variable name is a. Okay, and again what we are doing is we are adding 1 to previous variable, that is a. So a equal to a plus 1, that is 6. Okay, and the next is strings in Rust. So there are two type of string we can define in Rust. One is using this string keyword and another one is an str. Okay, so this is string slice, fixed length, and part of a string literals. And string type is a growable and on, that is if we define any variable with this string keyword, then there must be one owner of this string key. Okay, any variable. So let's try to code the string. Let me explain you using one example. So let greetings equal to hello Rust. Okay, and we can print it. We know we just need to greetings. Okay, GREETINGS. Okay, great. I need to run this. So this is the output, hello Rust. So this is just a basic example of string in Rust, and let me give another example. What we can do is we can add mute keyword. Okay, and we can create using string keyword the string from. This is syntax of how we can create a string in Rust using this string from. Okay, and what we can do is we can create like a update. Let greeting equal to greeting dot push str, let's add another string. Okay, like hello Rust. Okay, and we can like print greetings, and let's try to run it. Okay, so what we did is we first create mutable string. Okay, mutable variable name greetings. Okay, and we create a hello string, and then we try to push string. So we added another string into this previous string. Okay, so this is hello Rust, and the example is hello Rust. Okay, and let's try it. Okay, so creating and modifying strings. So this is example what we did. Okay, this is string concatenation. Okay, using plus operator we can add any string. Okay, so let s1 equal to string from hello. Okay, we can define string using this keyword, as we know, and we can we are creating another variable named s2. Okay, and then again third variable, that s3, and we are adding all three, of course all three variables, all two variables, in storing the new values in s3. So s1 plus s2. So s1 is moved and can no longer be used. Okay, so s1 is moved. Okay, s1 is moved and we cannot use s1 after this. So this is just a basic example of string addition. And the next topic is struct. Okay, so as we discussed in our previous video, a struct is a custom data type that group multiple values together. Okay, in last video we discussed tuples as well. So what is the difference between struct and tuple is, like tuples can store multiple data type. Okay, multiple data type, but struct, so array, we discussed array and tuple. Okay, difference between array and tuples. So what is the difference between tuple and array is that array can store same data type. Okay, multiple values but same data type, but like tuple can store different data type values. So this is just a recall. And a struct is a custom data type that groups multiple values together, and similar to object in any other languages. Okay, so this is just example, like struct person, we created one struct name person, and we are storing name and the age of a person. So this is just object and this is a value. Okay, so this is just a basic example of struct. And yeah, like we can code it so that you guys can you guys will understand better. So let me let person1 equal to we are declaring one struct. Okay, name is person and the values are name and string from like I can add anything like Jack. Okay, Jack. Another variable is age. age is 25, and we can print name, comma age, then we can like print the value of person 1. We can call using dot name, so this will print here, okay, and again person 1 dot age. Okay, perfect. Let's try to run it. Okay, cannot find struct variant or union type person in the scope. Okay. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to add this person struct in my code. So like, let me declare struct person name. Whatever I use here is I will copy, and okay, so the type is string. Another one is age data type is unsigned 8. Okay, yeah, that's all. So this is a person struct. So there are two elements inside is person, one is name, one is age. So what we are doing is we are just adding values inside this. So first is name, so we created string name Jake and insert into name, so this name both are same. And another one is age, that is 25, and what we are doing is we are printing values one by one, that is person 1. So we are calling this object and properties inside it, that is name and age. Let me compile it, run it. So this is example, name is Jack and age is 25. Okay, and yeah, so we use struct to struct will help to keep data organized and like make Rust code more readable and efficient. So this is example use case. So this is okay. Another one is functions. So declaring function, we know we can declare fn keyword function, and let me give you example using, let me copy this. Okay, so this is function, keyword fn. We declare function using fn keyword, and another is this is function name, this is parameter. So first is a and another one is b, and i32 is a type, like what we want to take if you want to take parameter, then what data type it should be. So this is i32 and another one is i32, and this is important part, this is return type. Okay, so like this function return type is i32. So we declare return type using this array keyword and then the data type of the return. So return a plus b, that is like if we pass 1 and 2, then it should be 3. The answer will be 3. Okay, so it 3 is I32 type, so that's why we define here I32. So this is just a syntax of function. Okay, implicit return. Rust functions can return values without return keyword. Okay, so here is return keyword. Okay, we can do it without using return keyword. Let's see. So example is function multiply, same example. Okay, so same, we just need to remove this semicolon and also remove this return keyword. So if we run it, it works fine. Okay, so okay, so like there are two types of return. One is we can use return keyword, and another one is we need to just pass the value. It can be anything like 0. We just need to make it simple without any semicolon, and if we add semicolon, then it will not run. Okay, it will give a compile error. So what we can do is we can like simply use return a plus b, or return any value like return 9, return 8. Then we need to use semicolon, and if we are not using return keyword, then we need to remove semicolon as well. Okay, that's it for today's video, and if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Rust tutorial. See you in the next video, and we will cover Rust ownership and borrowing concept in detail. Today I didn't cover Rust ownership concept because this is very interesting and important topic. So I will create a separate videos for this concept. So stay tuned and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.